One palm malsi eating egg. Oh lagay.
Captain, that is Ruben.
Ay. Oh, another rider fell. Ay, pala benjan. So we're heading down there, over there. We are lighting it is spot. So this is the Kshat Lai Pateng Khoasil Falls. Beach, bro, beach. Hey, bro, we just arrived at the beach, bro. Look. Oh, look at that waterfall, bro. We are here at Double Drive Waterfall. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, we'll be going to Cherrapunji again, and we'll be going to the Kshat Orihat. It's a very beautiful place. I haven't been there, and I think there's another place called Double Dice. Hardly people know that place, so we'll be going there. Hopefully it'll be a nice view. I haven't been there. I've never seen it also, or neither have I heard of it. We're going out to Cherrapunji. Only us Yamaha riders. We have the MTs, we have R15s, FZs, version 1, version 2, version 3. So let's go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 bikes so far. 18 I think, with the other rider that is already in front. Pretty exciting ride, guys. I took a day off from work, so I'm gonna enjoy it. Just watch this video till the end, guys. You don't want to miss this beautiful and exciting ride. Let's go. 18 or 20 riders. Woo! This guy in front, it's our captain. I think you've seen him on one of my videos. And this here is Baora. And the guy behind me revving his bike is Malcolm the crazy guy. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. This is my pocket rocket, guys. This bike has blessed me so much. I thought it's one of our riders. This bike has blessed me so much. It has helped me earn a lot. It's what I'm making a living. I make a living out of riding, guys. Can you imagine that? How fun could that be? I don't really have much idea about the place that we'll be going, but what I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be an awesome place. I've seen it on some videos. Oh my god, that guy is Sandy. That guy is Sandy over there, rushing his bike. I think he's trying to arrange the formation of us riding, because some of the riders are already in front and some of us are here and some of us are way behind. Yep, that's the problem, because we're going on a group ride. It should be aligned properly, so that nobody get left behind and nobody lost its way. And guys, you better don't want to miss this video. You better watch this video till the end, because the place and the ride is going to be very, very exciting and beautiful. Yeah, stay tuned. Don't miss this ride. The left sign is a caution sign, by the way. Look, our rider is still there. So now we are at OG Cherrapunji. This is the main Cherrapunji where everybody loves to come, and we as locals call it Sora. And now we're here, we're heading that side. So I took off my gloves because it's kind of hot here, and I'm wearing this riding jacket also. It's pretty hot. And this house here, it's been built since the British rule. It's written over there Sydney Evans Bungalow, and I don't know who stays here. I don't think it's a you know, it's a person's home. I think it must be of some organization. First century has last. Now we'll be going, but since we're getting so late, we won't be exploring much places. We'll be going to two places, the double ties and what's it called? I forgot. I think I might have to ask from these riders. I hope we're not making the wrong turn again. Off-road again, off-road. Going off a little. Oh, I think this might be the road. I think bad roads leads to good destination. Who can off-road here? Sige, saan ni ngeringi kita eh? Kêu kan singi off-road. Come here, rasanya off-road. Fairing back, bro. You can go fast, we can go anywhere. Boleh. Faham lagi bang?
Ngasuk apa kita kamu lock people rồi.
What's with those guys? They don't wanna ride off-road or what? Em. Nhã phí sila. Apa sah bat flip. Snooder kayak bike sebet mah. Ya. Ai, pelik ai. Clutch. Dan gear am. Last shit. So this is Madan Thamai. This place is called Madan Thamai. I think there's a waterfall down there. Everybody's here. Pisau kumno mama mafi wan ni ka jangan nak kasi.
Subang.
Ha?
Subang.
Subang.
Lapoi lah tak sausin tu. Lạ số best bay.
Sao xin sao quên nè.
Hơi mình ta vào tăng xiên sau xiên.
Cả jaka kata kamu sampai nè.
Cái đi kawa aja saya kat kawa sao.
Wa sao.
Wa sao rồi.
Oh,
Tak saya benda yang kata kan, lai pateng kau sil.
Oh dia ni lai pateng kok siu.
Rồi.
Oh, okey.
Đi trong cả Viet lai pateng kau sil.
Okay. So this is the Kshat Lai Pateng Kho Siu Falls. Actually, I thought we won't be coming here anymore because we're getting late. Actually, we came here now, and it's quite nice. So the camera won't do justice, but the view actually here it's very nice. And now we're heading back. I don't know. I'll have to ask where will we be going next. So we'll be getting back to our bikes. See you on a bike. So now we'll be going to double drive. So now comes the tricky part again. But as for me, I don't mind riding on this kind of, road condition, because I'm fond of, off-roading. So I don't have any problem. Anything happens, I'll just release the throttle. Oh man, it's so much fun, man, riding off-road rather than riding on the road, actual road. Oh shit! Woo! This comes the tough part. We'll wait for them to arrive here, so we'll take a look. This is the tough section as for them. As for me, it's a simple one. One rider is coming, and that's our senior rider, Bak Bari. Oh, Bak Bandri. One palmal si eating egg. Oh, lagay. Oh, bad break mat le. Apa. Tan ni. Bad break mat. Boleh.
Captain. Dari Ruben.
Hey. Oh, another rider fell. Hey, pelip engine. Come on. Woo! Oh shit. Two riders down, bro. This is the fun part of riding, bro. Mr. Cocktail to the rescue. Ana. Here, don't garam. I'm helping this other rider. Woo! Two riders down. Biang le. It's all fun. It's all fun and games. Chal, Shimdos. Woo! Next destination, here we come. So we are almost at the place, and right now we are about to hit this off-road section again. Most of the riders are getting tired already. Oh, sorry. Off-road. These are underrated places. People hardly been here. So we have to ride off-road a little bit more. And then just over there's a parking spot. So we have arrived here at the spot. This is Malcolm, aka Malsi. What do you name yourself, Malsi, bro? Do you have a story behind it?
No story.
Huh?
I'm just a blind man. I'm walking.
Okay. He's cousin with Caesar.
Yeah, Caesar from the planet the Apes. Yes.
This guy is cousin with Caesar.
No.
I am home. Ong.
I am home.
Oh, beach, bro, beach. Hey, bro, we just arrived at the beach, bro. Look. Oh, look at that waterfall, bro. We are here at Double Drive waterfall, so I'm heading up there to the waterfall. Okay, we're heading to this waterfall now. Oh, we are almost near the waterfall. You can have a look. Woo! We are here finally. Look, look. This is the Double Drive waterfall. Yeah. And now I might just have to relax here. So guys, we are about to head out from here. It's getting late and now we'll be riding straight home. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe to this channel and we'll see you on the next video.